I'm really excited to be at the launch of Pinkberry India. It's a yummy, yummy brand. It's refreshing, it's handcrafted, it's healthy, and what is really amazing is it's a very cool brand. And in a city like Bombay, which is warm most of the year, it's really nice to have something cool and yummy and healthy. So I love it. My kids love it. My husband's here, even I'm sure he's going to love it. So we're really excited to be at the launch, and I really wish Pinkberry all the luck because I think what they've also done with these slightly Indianized flavors is very cool, like khatta meetha and green apple and salted caramel, and everyone's saying something different. So these are the ones I know, and I'm going to try a lot of the others, and I'm sure they're going to be yum. So everyone should come and try it, and it's super cool. So yeah. So far I've tasted one which has been a mix of mango with we had fresh pomegranates and vanilla and a whole mix. So what's nice is that you can handcraft, you can put what you like in, which is really cool.
Tara is looking very perfectly fit. In fact, like you come up from Malibu. In fact, like what have you to say about health-wise? Also, if you go to see how much you enjoy dessert,
Yeah,
or have
so
a sweet tooth. In fact,
I have two babies now, and touchwood, I'm back to shape. But I think I run, but also I promise. Ever since I tried the Pinkberry 10 days ago, every day after my run, I feel like having a Pinkberry shake or a Pinkberry lassi or something. So I think because it's healthy, also you can indulge, but also it's not gonna like make you huge.
but you're talking about health conscious. Like how much do you when it comes to eating anything? Like how much do you try to balance yourself, or you very
I'm actually now touchwood. I think things like your fitness and stuff. Every person is different, so you have to do what works for you. For me, it's consistency. I've been running every day since I was in school, and yoga and all. So I don't do much, but I do a little bit. And of course, I make sure I eat really a lot, but I always make sure it's balanced. And something like Pinkberry is really healthy, so it's good.
and you come up with a show also, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Tara, what happening on professional front?
So, I have my TV show, The Tara Sharma Show, Ek Nayi Maa Ka Safar. So, we're just starting season 3. We've had season 1 and season 2, which were big successes. And we're doing the English version of season 2. And there are some film discussions which I hope happen. And of course, things like this are always a great association because I think this kind of brand, it's very me. It's about fun and being cool and healthy, hopefully. So.
You're open to film offers right now.
Yeah. I did a small role in a little film which we'll mention once it's out, and we're in discussions for some other stuff.
Tara, the numbers thing happening in the Bollywood. It's very happening time if I'm not wrong in the Bollywood.
Yeah.
Do you have something in your mind you have to be a part of some project?
So for me, of course, what has been very rewarding is creating my own show because I've conceptualized it, I'm co-producing it, and I'm hosting it. So now that I've had that taste, if I do a film, it has to be something really amazing that I want to, because my show is every week on Colors and Nick, and so it's a great platform. And of course, films, yes, always. And as I said, brands like this, associations like this are great. So, yeah, lots of things.
Who do you think the most promising actor in a new channel, for example, their numbers get on the floor, for example, Ranveer Kapoor, Ranveer.
I think there's so many. I think all of them, lots of them. I think each person has a different uniqueness. So lots. I definitely am a Ranbir fan, but lots.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.